All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your AirTag, which, a lot of people are perplexed. They think that they charge this somehow like you charge a phone. But no, what it does is you've got to change this CR2032 battery. And it's pretty simple to do. What you're going to do is you're going to come to your AirTag, you're going to put your fingers on both sides of the apple, with the apple facing up, with the bite size on your right. You're just going to squeeze it, and then you're going to twist it counterclockwise. And then that's going to just pop open. And then you set that down. And then if you look in there, it comes with a Panasonic CR2032 battery, made in Indonesia. You just take it out. You notice the plus side is up. Set that down. Get your new battery. Stick it in there with the plus side up. Then you're just going to do the opposite. You're going to get your Apple thing in there. And then what you're going to hear a noise. And then you're going to twist it. It's doing a lot of stuff. It's telling me a bunch of stuff. Let me see. Get it in there. All right, yeah, I see what we got to do. So you got to look, see these little hubs right here? You see that little, like it's open on one side and it's closed on the other. So we got to kind of get that in that little slot there, right? So once we get it in the slot, then we can twist it clockwise, like that. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple. All right, let's check out our new battery. Just put it right there. Oh, that's nice and loud. That's giving us a good signal. All right, now let's go to Find My. And it says it's here. Yes, it's right here. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to move it away from here, right? And I'm going to walk into the other bedroom, and I'm going to set it down. Let's see what happens. Look at it. As I move away, you can see, look at there's, I'm about 2 feet away. I'm going to go ahead and stick it over here. Right now it's trying to find it. Item is moving, the precise location, oh, connected, signal is weak. Try moving to a different location. Well, it's still telling us it's 18 feet. All right, so if we pick this up, and let's say we just move towards it a little bit. Look, it's telling me exactly where it's at. So let's go in there. I put it in this dark bedroom. It's kind of like, it's showing us. Look at, there we are. Uh-oh, here we are. Now, if we wanted to, right? If we wanted to, what we could do is hit the sound thing, right? See if it makes a sound. So like if you lost your keys, you just go like this. Let's say it's dark in here. Hit that. Now you got a light. You can find it. See? There we go. That's how it works. Pretty simple. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to find stuff and how to use your AirTag and how to replace the battery, all that stuff. I do it all, man. I can, that's what my job is. Peace out.